This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. Okay, so we're going to learn Talend ETL tool, right? Why we need to learn Talend ETL tool? So there is a multiple ETL tools are there in the market, but why we need to learn Talend only? Is there any reason? Any idea, team? Anyone having idea? Because of multiple technologies all available in the market, right? So is there any reason specifically we need to learn this technology, team? Anyone having idea?
Yes,
See,
this is open source,
okay,
drop and
very
drag.
good point. Drag and
And
drop, very
compared to
good.
among tools, this is very less cost.
Very less cost, very good, very good. See,
There is no
see this
coding in that.
yeah, no coding, very good point. Any
Uh,
other points, team? Anyone want to
Good,
add any other points?
good GUI,
Yeah, very
user-friendly
good.
GUI.
GIO, user friendly ETL tool, very good, very good points. Any other points, team? It's a friendly, user-friendly ETL tool. So open source, cloud integration we can do easily by using the talent. Like I can connect to the Snowflake, I can connect to like Redshift, multiple cloud databases. I can connect easily. Compare with other ETL tools. So less cost. See, when I compare with other ETL tools, this license cost is more. Like Datastage Informatica, MSBI, this Sabi Vodus, this Abinisho, this cost is more compared with so talent is very less cost, but this technologies, this ETL, other ETL tools cost is more. That's why. So along with openings are good. Openings. So openings are very good. Lot of openings are there. Like all MSCs, like TCS, Wipro, HCL, Virtusa, Cognizant, Infosys, Capgemini, all companies, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Techem. Okay, so along with India, India having lot of openings along with other countries like on-site, like USA, Malaysia, Singapore. There is a number of openings are there. Some people are getting remote openings. They are working from India, but they are working the US clients, Singapore client, Malaysian clients. Okay, they're getting the US salary, Singapore salary, Malaysia salary. So that's why if you learn this talent ETL tool, you will get compare with other technologies more salary. Okay, openings are good. So less people aware this technology name itself, less people aware this technology name itself. So that's why. So openings are more, less competition, less competition. Okay, when you learn this technology, less competition, more openings are there. That's why you will get job easily. Okay, so this is the course content we are going to teach it in our institute. Like talent installation, I will provide you talent software. You don't need to do anything. I will give the software access. So data warehousing, Oracle and Snowflake. Now we're introducing Snowflake also. Okay, Snowflake. So these are the talent components we are going to cover it. Okay, so SCD concept we are covering. Okay, so Snowflake also, how to connect Snowflake, Redshift, other databases, Teradata, how to connect S3 bucket, how to read it. So those we are covering in this curriculum. So along with C, what are we are going to teach in institute means C, we're providing project explanation, guys, along with interactive online and offline classes, live classes, classroom classes. Offline means classroom classes were conducting online the same timing 9:30 to 10:30. So recording videos I will provide each class. After class is done, at the end of the day you will get the recording video. Read only access will get it. Real time scenarios, materials. See, when I coming to the materials, see, we have already predefined materials. So there is a predefined materials we have. Okay, so this materials we have already prepared it. It's having clear steps, guys. Each steps we have cleared. What are the steps we have to take it? So the steps are already predefined. Okay, so if you read these documents without myself, you can learn it. That much level I have prepared it. Okay, I'm not required. So what are the steps you have to take? With the example, with the screenshot, you have prepared it. So if you get these documents, if you read it, you can practice it, you will get the job. That much level I have prepared it. Okay, with example, multiple examples, each is with this screenshot. See what this component it will do, what are the steps, everything were predefined it. Okay, so this materials were providing along with real time scenarios. There is a separate documents, around 10 to 12 documents are there, real time documents. Okay, these documents also we're providing. It's having around 10 to 12 documents are there. These documents also will get it. So in the project, what are the real time project we're using, those scenarios we have prepared here with the screenshots. So along with interview questions and answers we're covering. So we have prepared some documents. So we're covering around 100 questions, 60 to 100 questions. So Talend 60 plus Oracle 40. So Snowflake in that. So if you learn these questions, whatever I'm going to give these the questions, this is enough to get the job. Okay. So that is the interview questions and answers, and along with the doubts and clarifications. If you are facing any doubts, you can after class we're giving the 5 to 10 minutes time. Along with any time you can call it this number 9538 160 185. This is my WhatsApp number. Call, you can call at any time. Okay, so if you are facing any doubt, and it will resolve it. Okay, doubts and clarification section also we're conducting along with. So mock interviews we're conducting. So after how much you were able to how to crack the interview. See, if you can attending the mock interviews, so you will crack the interviews. So if you're in the some topic you are not getting, so if you are lagging, so if you are attending the mock interviews, then we'll explain it after taking the mock interviews. Okay, resume preparation, everything we're providing, full package we're providing, guys. Okay, so any questions, team? Why we need to learn Talend? So we'll get good package if you learn Talend. So that's why. So in my institute, other than the Talend, we have multiple technologies we are teaching, guys. Talend, Datastage, Informatica, SAP BODS, Python, Java, manual and automation, ETL testing, manual and automation testing, Snowflake. Okay, Tableau, Cognos, Power BI, multiple technologies are there, but mainly this institute mainly for talent, talent and data stage, Snowflake. Because of this, these technologies are very good in the market right now. So that's why. So we have talent, data stage, so manual and automation testing, Java. Okay, so along with Snowflake. So we're going to learn in talent. Okay, so the regular classes is going to start from tomorrow. So 4th May 4th May 2023. The class timing, regular class timings. So daily 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. morning time, Indian timing. Okay, so 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. daily 1 hour. The course duration 35 working days. So we'll conduct from Monday to Friday for every day. Saturday we'll conduct some special classes. Saturday we'll conduct special classes. Okay, so this is the course details. Okay, so the course fees is 15,000 for everybody same. So you can pay 2 installments or 3 installments. So so the first installment 5,000. So after attending 2 to 3 demos, you can pay. First we attend the 2 to 3 free demo classes. Free demo classes. After free demo, if you are satisfying, then only we are taking 5,000 rupees. We are charging for 5,000. So after 10 days, if you are satisfied, then only 10 days, then you can pay the remaining second installment. After satisfying, after 10 days, you can pay another 5,000, like that. Okay, because of if you're satisfied, then only we are charging it. Else we need only who are looking for seriously looking for those candidates only we required. Okay, so now let me give some examples on Talend. Please observe, guys. Let me give some examples on Talend. Assume that, guys. Assume that there is a one file, guys. There is a one file. Okay, so this is the source. In that there is a multiple files are there. There is a one file src emp file is there. It is having some data. So employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT number. Employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT number. From employee number to employee name, something is separator, right? What is the separator, team? Online, can somebody tell me? Employee
Comma.
number, comma. Employee number, comma. Employee name, comma. Job, comma. Salary, comma. DEPT number. So it is
Job.
having some record. How many records are there in this file, team? How many records are there?
12.
12 or 13?
12.
12, 12. One is header.
Why 12? Okay. First record is the header record. Very good. So first record is the header record. The remaining as a data, right? This is the header record. It is called as a column names. Column names. We can call as a field names. So we can call as a structure, metadata. Okay, so it's having 12 records. Now I want to read this file. I want to read this text file. This is the text file, comma delimited file. I want to read this text file. I want to read this text file. I want to load into another text file. Another text file. When I load into text file, I want to see, when I see DEPT number column, it is coming clumsy format. When I coming to the salary column, clumsy format, right? So now I want to see this salary column values. I want to see descending order. What is descending order? Descending
Higher to
order
low.
means higher to higher value to lower value. Okay. So which is the highest salary will come, team? So 2,000, 19,000, 2,000, 15,000, 5,000,
25,000.
7,000. So 25,000. This record will come first. I want in the another text file. So what is the next record will come, team? After 25,000, which is the highest salary?
19,000.
19,000.
19,000. Then which is the next record, team?
15,000.
19,000.
19 is done. One more 19, right? This is the first it will
Yes.
come. First record will come first. So next 15,000. Let me give this one 18,000. I'm changing. So this is the 18,000. So what about the next record, team? 18 after that. What is the next
16.
salary? 15,000. So what about next record, team? So this one I will give
7,000.
13,000. This one I will give 14,000. Tell me guys, what is the record will come?
14.
15 after that? 14.
14. Then 13.
So then 13. Then what is the next record? After 13, 10,
7,000.
7,000, very good. After that,
5,000.
how many 5,000? Only one 5,000, very good. So after that,
2,000.
2,000, two records, right? 4,000 is there, right? So 4,000, so then 2,000. I want to get the salary record in descending order. Descending order means highest value to lowest value. Highest value to lowest value. See, this is the text file, right? This is the text file. I want to read this text file. I want to read this text file. In Talend means we have to use, there is some components, T file input delimited. By using the T file input delimiter, I can read the text files. I want to load into another text file. I want to load into another text file. I want to save it, output. Okay, so there is a one component, output, right? We have to use T file output delimited. By using the T file output delimiter, I can generate the text file. Now, between, I want to, what is my condition team? What is my rule? What is my rule team? See, Talend is ETL tool, right? ETL means E, extract the data, extract. This is E. So this is for load, L for load. T for transformation. What is transformation? Salary
Sorting.
descending order. So I want to perform salary descending order means we have to use, there is a one component in Talend, tSortRow component. By using the tSortRow component, I can sort the data either ascending order or descending order. I can do whichever based on the requirement. I can perform ascending order or descending order. Okay, now my requirement is descending order. Okay, so how to do that in the Talend, we'll see now. First we have to use T file input delimiter for reading the text file, right? So now, so this is the text file. Let me go for the my Talend. Let me go for start now. So let me go for the job designs. So there is a right click the job design, create a job, provide the job name, demo 1. Now see how to take the components here, right? So let me keep the cursor here, type T file input delimiter. So now I want to load into the text file, right? Let me keep the cursor here, type the T file output delimiter. Now between what is the component I have to use team to perform the sorting operation online?
T-sort.
tSortRow. We
tSortRow.
have to use tSortRow component. I want to read the data from the text file. We have to use T file input delimiter. I want to load into the text file. We have to use T file output delimiter. Now between, I want to sort the data in the descending order. That's why I'm taking the component is called tSortRow component. Now I have to give the links between the component. I have to give the links between the component. How to give it? Right click this one, row and main. Right click this one and row and main. So now I have given the links between the component. Now I have to define the properties. So T file input delimiter, what are the properties are there? tSortRow, what are the properties are there? T file output delimiter, what are the properties are there? We have to define it. How to define it? Right click that, double click the T file input delimiter. So my file, where this file is available? srcmp file, where is available team? So it is there, documents, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Venkata Talent Classes, in the 2023 year folder, in the 9:30 a.m. batch, 3rd May folder, there is a one source folder. In the source, there is a srcmp file is there. This file I have to read it, right? So we have to browse this path. How to browse this path? See, let me go for, there is a file name or stream, right? Let me browse this one. So let me go for the documents, Nandini Software Solutions, Venkata Talent Classes. Let me go for 2023. So let me go for 3rd May. Let me go for the source. Let me select the date modified. Let me select the srcmp file. Now see what is the delimiter here from employee number to employee name. Employee name to job. Something is separate. What is the delimiter here, team?
Comma.
Comma, right? Comma. So there is a field separator. I have to define comma here. So now, is there any header record in the first file? Find the file. Is
Yes.
there any header
Yes.
record? Yes, first record, right? Header record. So that's why we have to pass header as a 1. Now let me go for the edit schema. Now let me go for edit schema. See, so first, what is the first column, team? Employee number. Let me copy this employee number. Add the plus symbol. Let me pass the employee number here. So employee number, when I see this file, is it integer, is it a date, or is it string? Is it characters? Employee
Integer.
number,
Integer.
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 So integer. So let me change the data type as a integer, data types. So let me see, this is the length, how many characters, how many bytes it is occupying, employee number. So this is the 3 bytes, right? So now, so I want to give some length. I want to this one. So maybe in the future it will give more length. So that's why I'm giving 10. So then add the plus symbol. So what is the next column? Let me copy the employee name column, e name column. So add the plus symbol. E name is the string, right? It is characters. In characters in Talend, we have to use the data type as a string. So assume that this one it will come 200. The length is. Now let me go for the one more plus symbol. What is the next column, team? So that is called as a job. Let me copy the job column. Add the plus symbol. So job is the string data type. So now let me give the some length 255. Add the plus symbol. So let me copy the next column salary. Add the salary column. Salary. What is the data type, team? Integer. Let me give some length. So I'm giving 55. Okay. So add the plus symbol. What is the next column? DEPT number. So DEPT number I'm giving 5. Okay. So DEPT number, which is the data type, team? Integer. Integer 5. Okay, I have to add the column order. See, what are the first column? I have to add first column only employee number, second column, third column, fourth column. The order is should be as per the file. Please remember it, guys. So now, so let me click the OK button. Let me click the yes button. Let me double click the tSortRow component. What is my condition? What is my criteria? Salary values I want in the descending order. Salary descending order. Let me go for the T file output delimiter C. Let me create one folder here. That folder is called as a target output folder that we can give as a target. Okay, so let me save one file here. I want to generate output one.txt in the target folder. Let me go for the so documents, Nandini Software Solutions, Venkata Talent Classes. Let me go for the 2023 year. So May folder in the target. Let me give output one.txt. Output one.txt. So let me give field separator comma include header. So what is include header? See, my source is coming column names, right? The same column names I want in my output means we have to use. There is a one checkbox, include header checkbox, include header checkbox. So now let me save the job file and save the job. So now I have defined the all the properties I have defined. Now I want to execute the process. How to execute the process means, so let me, there is a run tab, there is a run button. Let me run the button. So my job is running now. My process is running now. So my process is running. My process is running. My process is finished now. Exit code equal to 0 means my process is successfully finished. So my source having 12 records, my target also loading 12 records, right? So when I come into the output section, let me open in output notepad plus plus. Okay. So the values, the salary values, I'm getting into the descending order. Okay. So this is the way to perform the sorting. Now my requirement is I want to read this file. I want to load into my output section. My salary values I want to see in the ascending order. Ascending order team. What is ascending order? What is
Lower to
ascending
high.
order?
Max
Lower
first.
values.
No,
Which one? Which one is first? Ascending order team.
Lower
Lowest,
value to
lower
higher.
value.
lowest first.
Lower value is the first. Lower to higher. Okay. So it will come reverse. This would 2000, 2000, 4000, 5000 like that, right? How to do in the talent? Tell me. In the tSortRow component, what I have to select here? Tell me. What I have to select team?
Ascending
Descending.
order.
Ascending, sir.
Descending order to ascending order. So now let me save the job again. See, I want to generate output to 2 here. Ascending order. How to generate it? Let me give the, instead of output 1, I will give into output 2. Okay. So let me save the job. Let me run the job. When I open the output 2, I want to see the values in ascending order. I want to see the output values in ascending order. Okay. See, lowest value first. Then lowest, highest, then the next highest values is coming. Okay, this is the way to sort the data. See, tSortRow. See, tSortRow, left side link is coming, right? That link is called input link. tSortRow, or right side link is coming called, that is called as output link. tSortRow, it will support one input and one output. It will support only one input link and one output link. By using the tSortRow, I want to sort the data either ascending order or descending order, means we can use the tSortRow component. See, now my requirement. Please observe, guys. I want to sort the data salary values in ascending order. I want to load, I want to load, I want to load whose salary more than 10,000. More than 10,000. How many records will come to more than 10,000 means? More than 10,000. So whether this is, so this record it will load into the target. This record it will load into the target. Yes or no?
7.
No. What about this record? What about this? No. So my condition is salary greater than or equal to 10,000. Let me include 10,000 also. So what about this record? This record? What about this record? What about this? This record will come. Suppose I'm keeping here 10,000. Let me give one record 10,000 here. So whether this 10,000 will come in the output or not? That is my question.
No.
I'm giving greater than or equal to. This
Okay, then,
10,000 will
then it
come
will
or
come.
not? It will come.
It will come. Yeah.
Okay. How to do in the tell? See, there is a one condition, right? What is the condition, team? I am filtering the data. I am writing the condition. What is the condition? Salary greater than or equal to 10,000. So I want to filter the data, means in the talent there is a one component T filter row component. First I will filter the data, then I will sort the data. So by using the tSortRow ascending order. Okay, I want to filter the data. How to filter the data? Please observe, guys. So let me take the T filter row component. T filter row component. So let me cut this link and let me give the link. First I will filter it for performance purpose. So double click the T filter row. What is the filter condition, team? Salary greater than or equal to 10,000. So now let me, I want output 3. This one output 3. So let me run the job. I'm running the job. See, I'm getting 5 records only, right? So let me go for output 3. I want to get salary greater than. See why I'm
In
getting this
filter,
one thing?
filter
What is the
may
fill?
you have selected that low or something.
Yes,
Yeah,
lower than
lower
or
the
equal. So what I have to select? Greater than or equal to. I have selected greater than now. So now let me run the job again. See, my job will fail now. I'm sure that 100%. Why it is failing? See,
will
here my
exist.
file is already existing. So what I
Hmm.
have to, I want to override the data means, let me go for advanced setting. There is one checkbox, uncheck, throw an error if the file is already exist. Let me run the job again. Now you will get the proper, perfect output. So 8 records. See, output 3. Okay. So I'm getting 10,000. Suppose I don't want to get the 10,000. So what I will give? The filter condition. I will
Greater
give
than.
greater than. That's it. So it means by using the T filter row component, I can write the some condition. I can write the some condition. I can filter the data. I can filter the data. I want to filter the data means we have to use T filter row component. So I want to sort the data means we have to use tSortRow component. What is the use of T file input delimiter team? I want to read the text file. We have to use T file input delimiter. I want to generate the text file, output file. T file output delimiter. Any questions, team? So far? Okay. See, guys, from tomorrow onwards, regular
Venkat,
classes.
I have one question.
Yes, please.
So every time when we upload the file, right, the input file, so
Yeah.
every time a
Yeah.
header has to be given, specified.
Yes, we have to specify. So this is a
So
we
it will
have
not
given
take
manually, right?
automatically. No, it will not
So
take
we'll take
automatically.
automatically. Yeah, this is the manually we have added. I want to do
Hmm.
automatically means we have to create a structure first. So there is a metadata section. See, so there is a file delimiter, create a file delimiter. I have to create the file structure here. I can use it across the project. Okay. So that is also we'll cover it in the regular classes. Okay. So see guys, from tomorrow onwards, regular classes, that is from 4th May 2023. The class timings, regular class timings. So 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So this is Talend regular classes. We are going to start from 4th May, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So this is a Talend. So there is a one more technology, IBM Datastage ETL tool. We are going to start from 10th May 2023. The class timings morning 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. So there is one more Java. We're going to start from our institute. So that is also so 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. This is offline and online both. So this is the data stage only for online. Talent means both offline and online. One more new batch is going. Okay, there is a manual testing, manual and automation with Selenium. Automation with Selenium. Testing. So that is new batch is going to start from 22nd May. So 2023, the class timings 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, this is online. Okay, so if you're anyone interested, so this is the my WhatsApp number 9538160185 for enrollment purpose. Okay, so this is the this is off This Nandini software is available in Bangalore, Maratalli, opposite of KLM Mall. If you anytime you can visit, the office is opens so 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, for every day. Okay,
Venkat, what is
yeah,
different between IBM Datastage ETL and Talend ETL?
yeah. See, IBM, that is the old ETL tool. This IBM Datastage is old tool. License cost is more. So cloud integration is not that much good. So, but Talent is very good ETL tool. Nowadays, all the project, see, see this project I want to develop, 10 members are required. Okay. So so here also 10 members required. Assume that. The same thing, what I am doing here, I am doing, here I am doing. This cost is less. Customer, which one will be preferable? This one or this one?
Low cost.
No cost. So that's why, so this is a new ETL tool. These are all old ETL tools. That's what I have told you, right? So this is the data stage, Informatica, MSB, Ab initio, SAP videos. This is also openings are there because of this already existing project, right? So slowly they're moving like data stage to Talent, Informatica to Talent, MSBI to Talent, Ab initio to Talent, SAP videos to Talent. They're migrating it. Okay, because of it will save half of the budget. So assume that this I will get 1 lakh means, so Talent 1 lakh means this will may get maybe 2 lakhs. Half of the amount I'm saving it. That's why customer is preferable Talent. Okay, so more demand in the market. So this is also our openings are there. Data stage Informatica. This is also openings are there because of they already existing. Past 20 years they're running the project, right? Suddenly it will take some time to convert, right? So that's why. So this is also openings are there. Compare with this technology, Talent is more openings. Okay. So any questions? Let me stop recording. Let me take your doubts.